I'm doubting my ability to manifest. I feel unsure about receiving my desires. Seems like whatever I'm doing is not working. I just cannot attract my manifestation. Feels like there's a blockage there. And it's making me feel stuck. Makes me feel disconnected from my own power. Even though I'm feeling this way, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Today, I'm choosing to tap into my unlimited potential. I know I'm a master manifester. I've just forgotten that. But now, as I'm tapping, I'm reminding myself of my own power. Because I'm a powerful creator. It's okay to want what I want. I'm not trying to manifest flying to the moon. What I am manifesting has been done before. By thousands of people. So I choose to believe that it can be easy for me to manifest this desire into my reality. I trust in my ability to manifest easily and effortlessly. And I'm allowing all of these blocks to be released from my subconscious mind and my energy field. I am a magnet for my desires. I am a magnet and my desires are flowing towards me. I let go of any remaining resistance that's holding me back. I'm aligned with the energy of receiving. I'm open and ready to receive. Everything I desire is on its way to me.